Apple's game plan for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max is about to shake up smartphone photography in a big way. By outfitting both models with 5x telephoto cameras, Apple is not only making sure both high-end phones are on par but also keeping up with the industry's fast embrace of advanced camera tech. This is particularly exciting given the iPhone 15 Pro Max's leap to a 5x telephoto zoom, setting it apart from the iPhone 15 Pro's 3x zoom. With TrendForce confirming Apple's intentions, along with Ming-Chi Kuo's earlier predictions, it's clear Apple wants top-notch camera features available across its Pro lineup. This mirrors the trend in the industry towards periscopic lens modules, as seen in the iPhone 15 Pro Max's tetraprism telephoto zoom lens. Adding to the buzz, rumors suggest Apple will bump up the ultra-wide cameras on these models to 48 megapixel sensors, a major jump from the current 12 megapixels ones. This should mean even better shots in low light, thanks to pixel binning technology creating impressive, super pixels. But remember, plans can change as development progresses. Apple has a history of tweaking its strategies based on various factors, so the final specs might differ from what we expect. As we wait for more details, the prospect of a unified 5x telephoto capability across the iPhone 16 Pro lineup shows Apple's dedication to pushing mobile photography to new heights. This not only adds value to their premium phones but also ensures users get top-notch technology, cementing iPhone's status as a leader in the smartphone world.